How's it going, guys? This is John Timothy Gallardo, and today I will perform our summative assessment 4 in Digital Electronics 2.
Instruction: kindly create a PIC microcontroller based project wherein a coin acceptor and a servo motor is being applied. Now here are the materials needed for our summative assessment. Application: tollbooth. A servo motor are small and efficient but critical for use in applications requiring precise position control. In this time of pandemic, the application of servo motor and coin or bill acceptor in a tollbooth can be useful to lessen the physical contact. The driver will just need to pay the required amount set in the tollbooth for him to pass through it. Here's the code. For this summative assessment, we will use the MPLAB XIDE and MPLAB XIPE applications. We will use MPLAB XIDE to create the program and MPLAB XIPE to install the program. Now let's start. Create a new project, select microchip embedded and standalone project. For the device, use PIC16F1508. Next, use X8 as the compiler toolchain. Name the project Summative 4. Then browse your desired target location for the project. Click Finish. After the loading is finished, click Tools, Embedded, then select MPLAB Code Configurator. For system module, just change the internal clock to 4 MHz and uncheck the low voltage programming enable. Add the timer to set the prescaler to 1:64 and time period to 16 milliseconds. Add the PWM4 and check the enable pin output. Go to pin module, click the output under port A4 and the input under port A5 of pin module. Then set their custom names. Uncheck the analog. For RA5, check the WPU. Then click Generate. Click Yes. After generation is complete, go to Project, Summative 4, Source Files, then Main C. Now let's type the code. After typing the code, click Build and wait for it until build successful. Now open the MPLAB XIPE to install the program. We can see that our PIC3 is recognized by the application. Click Connect. Click OK. After connection is successful, go to Settings, Advanced Mode, enter the default password. Go to Power, set the voltage level to 3.125. Power target circuit from PIC3 should be checked. After that, go back to Operate and browse our hex file. After hex file loaded successfully, click Program. Okay? Now that programming is complete, we can now disconnect our PK3 to get our IC. Now let's create the circuit.
Now let's test. Upon inserting 1 peso coin, the LED should toggle and the servo motor should move. And that concludes our summative assessment 4. See you guys next time. Goodbye!